I, Saima Firdos. Today, I present myself from KD Bhalerao Education Society. I am working in KD Bhalerao English Medium School and Junior College, Lakhamapur. Today, I want to ask some questions about our beloved principal, Tanaya Bhalerao. So, shall I ask some questions?
Yes, you may.
Yes. So, ma'am, my questions depends your journey as well as which type of education requires today's generation. So, shall I, ma'am?
Yes. My life journey is not described in one word, one sentence, and in one day I can't describe my life journey. There is a journey of 20 years. There is a big point of view is that we should not say that is a journey. That is our life phase, which we should say. In that life phase before marriage, there were the thing I was as a daughter of my father. He was also principal, and later on when I married with chairman sir of KD Bhalerao, then I became principal. He allowed me to sit on the post of principal. I was only having experience of teacher. Later on I learned number of things, and he posted me as a post of principal. While working as a principal, the thing was not only to teach the students to do the financial work and to do the household course. To balance number of things, I have to do number of things, and while balancing my career life as well as my children's life, there were many obstacles which we could not share in front of the society. But I accepted that and I moved from that, and I just focused on my career as well as family. I was working up to 14 hours, 15 hours, 16 hours in a cabin, and I was just showing to the society that I want to become a successful person in my life. Later on, when the corona period was there, the work was online work was there, and suddenly I was attacked with corona. Then doctor suggested me that you have to continue your work with some hobbies and all. Then I started my work to write. I am an authoress of 3 books. That is first Words of Life, second Words of Parenthood, third Words of Thought, and fourth book is going to launch. That is Rises of Women. So the journey is not the thing is to show something. The thing is that in your life there is hard work, consistency, dedication and discipline is equal to success. And from all that phases I go through, there was a big support of my husband Sharat Kisan Bhalerao. He supported me a lot. He was standing when I was unsuccessful. Today I am a successful woman in front of the society. He is standing with me, and I have achieved a lot of awards, 11, 12, 13 awards I have achieved. For example, Girna Gaurav Bhumiputraja, Girna Gaurav, Strongest Woman Award, Best Dedicated Woman Award. Number of awards are awarded by celebrities and the figure who did most beautiful work in the educational field. And my achievement is remain now. I am going to launch a big project in the field of education. That will be the innovative project in the Maharashtra. So I said these things in a short way.
Happy to heard that, ma'am. As I working last 2.5 years, I was working with the ma'am. I was working number of school, but I never ever seen that type of principal and that type of infrastructure like KD Bhalerao. As I was heard that ma'am was established that one school that depends on 4 rooms, and nowadays I am observing that 4 rooms converted into 4 floors, as well as I saw that ma'am was launching that new building special for the kindergarten students and Siagar, as well as ma'am given the name of Shivneri. Ma'am thoughts about not for their life, not for their children's life. They dedicated whole lives to that KDB stars, means our KDB students. Ma'am gives number of trainings for the students, teachers, and ma'am organized that webinars, seminars, guest lecture. Really, ma'am, your hard works and dedication makes us brilliant.
You're welcome.
How should education change to meet the need of education and students?
Today's requirement is that students should play a role for better to make their life in a better way. Nowadays, students are not attending their academics in a proper way. In ancient times, students were very focused on academics as well as their physical health. Means they were attending number of things. But nowadays, the need of the student is that they should attend academics. They should appear for test series. They should appear for project. They should do practical in a proper way. Means they should require educational environment in every school. Somewhere only teaching is only a process of teaching. But I, as an educationalist, want to say that teaching should not the process of teaching. Teaching should the process of learning also. When there is a both process, teaching and learning process, then the education becomes strong. So in every school, the thing is that the requirement is that there should be a technology as well as offline teaching. Means I am not telling you that in every class you should use technology, but somehow technology should use in some time, and sometime offline teaching is also required. So today's requirement for the students, they should be healthy. They should be healthy in educational process. Means they should focus on their study. They should focus on their sub-study. They should listen of teachers. They should obey of teachers. They should listen of their parents, and they should become a student. They should not become a parent, or they should not become a person who is more than 18. Nowadays we can see that the student who is 7 years old, 5 years old, their behavior is like more than 18 years old man, 19 years old man. So the thing should cleared by the parents and the school. So student should be student should be self-disciplined student, and everywhere we should see that environment. Then the life of the student will change. We should say that there should be no pressure on student. The thing is that they should learn the thing in a fun way method, play way method. When they will learn in a school fun way method, then they can learn more. If they will learn in a pressure way, they will learn less. For example, in our class, the class is 8:14 CIA. Always I am watching the class that is a healthy class. They are just accepting the teachers, they are listening of teachers, they are answering of teachers. Means the environment is very healthy in that class. So every class should adopt that methodology of that particular class teacher, and they should go through. So my motto is that, the message for the student is that they should come for the education. They should not come for the entertainment.
Yes, ma'am.
That's it.
Should today's education focus more on skills, not than that academic?
School should focus on academics also, and event as well as skill also. A school should not break balance of academics and skill, because in ancient time academics were important than skills. Today's need of education is that skills are also important as well as academics. So parents as well as schools should remember that a student should take education by fun way method, as well as they should learn from the skill. For example, in KDB school, we are organizing events on every Saturday. For example, we had conducted poster presentation competition, and in that poster presentation competition, our teachers has given number of topics related to AI, new generation, technology. So in that, what students are learning beyond the books, and due to that students are finding some data, information, content, and they are preparing for themselves to stand on a big platform. So the thing is that they are improving their confidence, gestures, pronunciation, and in that students are developing more. So academics is also important. If they are having content matter, if they knew something about science, if they knew some fundamental concepts about mathematics, if they knew about grammar, so they can use that basic things in their practical life or in the practical event. That is very important. So academics is that much important, like that event and celebrations and program and seminar. Again, we are conducting online webinar. In that online webinar, our Rahul Sonone sir is conducting online webinar in front of classes, and a person who is coming for online, he is also prepared, he is also presenting PPT presentation, and in that students are learning, students are watching, see how education system is fantastic. It is no book, there is no books, only listen, and if I want to give answer, then give. There is no compulsion. So the refreshment of education is there, and class becomes healthy. And education goes in a simple way, not in a complex way. So that is education. So a school should conduct field visit, online webinar, event, as well as academics. School should maintain a balance of academics as well as event. That's it.
As ma'am gave the answer, as ma'am gave that the answer, really without any cost, ma'am arranged that number of events, number of poster presentation, webinar, even field visit, as well as tour when we're going to that a picnic. So it's not a picnic, it's a field, it's a informative tour, we can say that. So students will take fruitful knowledge from that ma'am side, and once students will return and they will make that portfolio, we can say that students make that portfolio, not for that report, students make portfolio and we give the remarks. So it is where I'm very happy to work with you, and I promise to you, once before marriage I will do work here. My question, ma'am, what strategies help you to handle administrative, academic and students' responsibilities effectively?
So it is very nice question, Saima. In that question, there is a school journey. It means how we have to run a better school for better future. So my opinion is that handling administration, that is not a simple task. It is very difficult task. So number of GRs are there, number of changes, number of transformation daily we are getting from government. So we have to update for that. There are separate departments of administration, and we have to follow these. We have to just show them all the theoretical record as well as practical record to them. So that is the thing of administration. And second thing, how we have to handle student responsibility. That is a one part of student responsibility. Means students, when they enter in the gate, they are not the parents' son and daughter. They are son and daughter of Bhalerao International School and Junior College. So we should work on this thing. So they are our son and daughter, and we are not doing discrimination with our son and daughter. So our Bhalerao School is not going to discriminate any single student. So that is a big achievement. And our teaching staff and non-teaching staff is very dedicated. They are listening words of principle, words of wisdom by principal, and they are following all the things which ma'am is going to say, and they are implementing. Saying is a different thing, implementation is a different thing. So it is very important that your team is working with you shoulder to shoulder. So it is a very important thing. So team is doing task and ma'am is announcing. Both things are coordinating, and in that coordination, fruitful education comes out, and loyalty is there, hard work is there, consistency is there. There is a big discipline in Bhalerao School. So all the things are making together a fruitful education. And about student responsibility, everybody is very self-disciplined in the campus. So everybody is taking their responsibility. So education becomes very fruitful and nice. And our Bhalerao School is recognized as the best discipline school, best school, and all teachers are best. All students, KDB stars, are doing their best. That's why our school is best.
How important is digital and practical knowledge to today's students?
Today's students means they are son and daughter of modern parents. Modern parents are sending their son and daughter in modern school and in best school,
Yes.
because they think that whatever we didn't get in our life, so our students or our son and daughter should get. So school should aware about that thing. What is today's need? Today's need is that we have to give education by practical way as well as by digital way. So our school is going to launch Techment education in coming academic year. That is also one added point. And what about practical education? Practical education, there is one example of field visit, that we are organizing field visit. We are sending the students out of the school, for example, visit to the industry, visit to the petrol pump, visit to the area where knowledge is getting, and students are getting practical education. Students are very happy to go out of the field visit, to go to the field visit, because it is a beyond of classroom, and they are feeling that classroom education sometimes boring.
Yes.
When they get the news from school management that field visit is going to organize, they are very happy. So practical education is also required. Second thing, in the classroom, what practical education we can give, we should give. In the classroom, we should give practical experiences. For example, about balloon, we can show them balloon. We should tell them the importance of oxygen, air, and all. Means not only beyond the classroom, but also in the classroom also we can give practical experiences to the student. We can use physics lab, chemistry lab, biology lab for the student, and we can give practical education. So in a modern area, there should be syllabus activity, there should be spoken activity, there should be practical education, there should be digital education. Then bright students can prepare for modern era.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving that more knowledge, as well as I was not knowing about that your plans. So I pray to the God, whatever your dreams come true as early as possible, and that God fill that number of colors to your dreams. And happy to hear that your answers, whatever. So I learned number of things from your sides, and thank you for giving your precious times, as you are very prestigious. So your time is also very precious. Thank you, ma'am, to connect with Education Special. Thank you.